Dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the notes of Class 3 English Chapter 5, that is, Let's Count. Here we are going to solve all the textbook activities. So let us find out the answers. Look at the price labels on the articles and complete the following. See here in the pictures you can see the price labels on the articles. Arabian Nightbook 110 rupees, flower bouquet 60 rupees, school uniform 250 rupees, men's hat 60 rupees, crayon box 25 rupees, sports shoe 210 rupees, doll 75 rupees, women's mittens 220 rupees, and cricket kit 600 rupees. Now here name of the items are given, cost of the item, and would you like to buy this? Your choice. If you want to buy yes, you can put yes. If no, you can write no. Okay. Mittens means a type of glove that cover all the fingers. Okay, now answer is all the cost of the items are given here. Would you like to buy? If yes, yes. If no, no. Why? You have to write. Okay. Now complete the pyramid given below. See here, pyramid is given. In this little question answers are there. You need to complete. 10 plus 5, 15. 20 plus 20, 40, 90 plus 10, 100, 100 plus 100, 200. Now make sentences using the following clues. 10 rupees, 250 rupees, 120 rupees and 150 rupees items are given here. Now we have to write that. This is an ice cream, it costs 10 rupees. This is a watch, it costs 250 rupees. This is a goggle, it costs 120 rupees. This is a mobile, it costs 1500 rupees. Okay. Now here is a 2000 rupees note. Describe the note in your own sentences. So you can write it is 2000 rupee note. It is pinkish purple in color. It bears the signature of Governor of Reserve Bank of India. On one side we see the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. On the other side Red Fort, and it shows our nation's progress. The value of the note is written in 15 languages. If I win 2000 rupees in any competition, I will use it for study purpose. If I win 2000 rupees in competition, I will use it for study purpose. Okay. Now draw and enjoy. Imagine you are in a shop or market or fair. You have 100 rupees with you. Write 3 things you want to buy it with 100 rupees. Whatever you want you can write. I will write here. I have 100 rupees with me. I am going to buy apples, ice cream and ball. I have 100 rupees. I am going to buy notebook, crayon box or sports shoes. Whichever you want you can write. Okay. Look at the pictures, observe them carefully with the help of the clues given below. Build a story. Here, see here pictures are there. Here clues are given. What is the clue? Shamim and Mary are planning to save and then for themselves. Shamim and Mary are planning to save money for themselves. Every day both of them start saving money. They put coins and notes in their boxes. The boy spent all his money by eating ice creams and chocolates. But the girl does not spend money. She keeps collecting because she dreams of purchasing a crayon book. Next question. Here are some actions. Which of them can be used with the word money? Pick, place, give, feel, take, grant, cry, keep, save, buy, go. So answer, place the money on the table, save money for future life, buy the things needed and pay the money, give money to poor as a help, don't waste time in making money. Now here are some of the words are given. You have to repeat after teacher. That is door, jar, book, watch, nest, umbrella, kennel, lorry, cave, can, owl, igloo, people, bag, cart, bat, train, mug. Now answer these. Right? Which 3 can be opened? Answer. The 3 which can be opened is can, jar and book. Which 3 have wheels? The 3 which have wheels are lorry, cart and train. Which 3 have handles? The 3 which have handles are an umbrella, a mug, a door. Which 3 are homes? The 3 which are homes are a nest, kennel, igloo. Which 3 comes in the dark? Answer. The 3 which comes in the dark are owl, bat, people. Next, here are some proverbs. Read them and try to add some more proverbs. Honesty is best policy. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If health is lost, something is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. Money can buy a friend, not friendship. A book, but not a knowledge. A bed, but not sleep. So this is all about your class 3 lesson number 5. Let's count. Okay, if you want the other lessons textbook activity, you can see the playlist of my channel. You can easily get from there, and if you want the further lessons, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.